Welcome to PushEngage, your platform for engaging customers with targeted push notifications. Today, we'll create a new audience group and send a customized push broadcast. First, navigate to the Audience tab and click Create Audience Group. Enter a name for your group and select criteria for segmentation. For example, we'll target users with more than 20 visits. Next, save your audience group. You'll see it listed with other groups you've created. Now, let's send a push broadcast to this group. Go to Push Broadcasts and click Create New Push Broadcast. Choose a template or start from scratch. Customize your notification with a title, message, and image. Preview it to ensure it looks perfect. Then select the audience group you created earlier. Choose to send immediately or schedule for later. For this demo, we'll send it now. Click Send Notification Now to engage your audience instantly. And that's it. You've successfully sent a targeted push broadcast with PushEngage. Monitor your campaign's performance in real time and optimize for better engagement. Thank you for choosing PushEngage.